way. Turn that way.
Oh my gosh.
Go, you can't be around me no more. Go on. You gotta go sit with Trap or something. Go sit on the dog bed.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Brooke back at y'all with another little prank Leezy. Oh my gosh, it feels like it's been like 3 years since I've been on this camera about to pull a prank on Jordan. So I know it's been a minute and it feels so good to be back. So y'all already know Team Brooke. I know y'all read the title. Today I am going to be sneezing on Jordan. So he actually has been playing the game, but he just took the trash out for me because I've been cleaning up like the whole entire kitchen area and everything. But like I said, he's been playing the game. So I don't know about anybody else, but being stuck in quarantine, like in the house with Jordan, boy, I am bored, okay? So I need to find something to do. So I figured while he's doing that, I would go ahead and get this set up, and I am just going to be sneezing on him constantly, just trying to see like how many times I can do it before he gets like super mad or whatever. But I'm gonna try and like, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think I might like, I don't know, we'll just see how it goes pretty much. But I'm gonna let him get into the game, of course, first, and then that's when I'm gonna start like everything and pretty much just get into it. So y'all, I am so excited to get into this. Y'all already know what it is. Team Brooke, go ahead, smash that like button for your girl if you haven't. That's if y'all haven't. Y'all, I hope y'all would. If you're new, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. You already know what to do. Join the Jordy Brooke crew, and we gonna get right into it. So like I said, I gotta set up the camera. This is about where it's gonna be at, if it'll focus and not just catch my white self. So we gonna get into it.
Is there anything else you need me to do, Your Majesty?
What took you so long?
I'll go check the mail too.
Oh.
Figure out what.
Ain't nothing?
Anything else before I sit down now?
No.
Go on now.
No, it should be good. Thank you. Thank you for taking the trash out for me. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. I wish they would come get that shit, cause that motherfucker filling up. Damn, I can't find no fucking body. Brooke, you need a tissue? Go get a tissue. What the f you just sneezed on me?
Oh, baby, I'm so sorry.
Damn.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Sorry, you just sneezed all over my arm.
Oh, that hurt.
Give me a hand to the dog. You sneezing on me, girl. What's wrong with you?
I'm so sorry, baby. I did not mean to sneeze on you. Did you want some hand sanitizer?
Give it to me. Rub that shit in like it's a lotion.
I'm so sorry, babe. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to sneeze on you.
Cover your damn mouth, your nose. Cover your nostrils. Your damn nostrils, girl.
My bad, baby. My bad.
Can't believe I didn't die just now.
I'm surprised you didn't either.
I ain't died yet. Oh shit! As soon as I said I ain't died yet, literally as soon as I said that.
Mm.
Look how that worked.
Look how that worked.
Whew. 2 of them. Bro, what the man? Come on. If you're gonna be sitting behind me, I just literally felt whatever you sneezed out your nose hit my back. Now it's all over my shirt.
I just sneezed into my arm. I don't know. I literally just sneezed into my arm. I didn't think I got you in the back.
Look, I literally felt it. Why? Come on.
I don't see anything.
Don't sneeze on me though. Sneeze a different way.
Okay, I'm sorry. I thought I was sneezing.
Is there something on my shirt, bro? As soon as you sneeze, I felt on my shirt.
I don't see anything on your shirt, baby.
It feel like a big ass glob. It felt like a big ass booger slapped me in the back.
I don't see anything.
Come on, man.
I'm sorry, baby. I really thought I was closing my nose. I'm sorry. Or covering it or whatever.
Nah, you need to close that motherfucker. Close it. You
I
said it
thought
right.
I did. I'm sorry.
Well, you throwing me off now. You throwing me off, bro. You getting me killed now. Stop sneezing on me now. But you give me that damn Rona now. I don't want the Rona now. Alright?
Ain't nobody got no damn Rona except for you.
Nah, that's what the hell you finna get to
That
me.
is not what I'm gonna give to you.
Just cause you got allergies, bro, don't mean you need to hand them motherfuckers off to me. I ain't trying
You
to
are not gonna catch my allergies, which is all it is.
I can't even get no damn kills, bro. Wow. Damn, on my 6, about 30 of these niggas came right there. Bro, turn that way. Turn that way. Damn.
Oh my gosh.
Go, you can't be around me no more. Go on. You gotta go sit with Trap or something. Go sit on the dog bed. You can't sit around me. Don't be.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, you need to go on somewhere. Get away from me with
This
this
shit is hurting my nose.
Well, maybe you should stop doing it, bro. I don't know how you keep sneezing on me.
So wait, it's my fault that I keep sneezing on you? I'm not sneezing on you, okay? First of all, I'm sneezing into my shirt.
Bro, it's kind of like you sneezing on me. I literally feel it every time you sneeze on me.
I'm sneezing
like I feel it on my back.
shirt. Okay, well I can't help that I have to sneeze.
Okay, then just sneeze somewhere else, bro.
I'm trying to catch it.
So
I can't help it that I accidentally
where's coming out at then, bro? It ain't like damn. You the only person I know that can sneeze and sneeze sideways. If you sneezing somewhere away from me, how is it still getting on me?
Ain't nobody sneezing sideways.
Bro, that's how your nose is working. You
That makes no sense.
Okay, you keep getting me killed now. You keep... Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone, bro. Just stop sneezing on me. That's it, bro.
I'm not trying to do it on purpose, though.
Okay,
Jordy.
but you keep doing it. I ain't say you trying to do it on purpose. I just know it keep happening. That's all I'm saying. Don't sneeze on me. Yeah, just cause, like I said, just cause you got allergies on me, I'm trying to intercept them up, but I ain't trying to fumble the damn allergies. Go on. Don't sneeze on me. If you feel like you need to sneeze, what that paper, what that napkin at?
I am not sneezing. I already used it. Oh, thank you, baby.
Do it with me.
Huh?
See what I'm saying?
Yeah. Boy, you better get out of here.
Don't sneeze on me, bro. You spreading germs, man. Come on, get your shit up.
It is not even
Don't go on
like
the
that.
floor.
It's literally just my allergies, and that's it. I told you that.
Bro, just because you got allergies don't mean I want you to put them on me. Alright?
Okay,
don't put
well,
them
I'm
on
not
me.
trying to. I'm
Don't put no
sorry.
allergies on me.
Okay.
That's it. Damn. Oh shit. Nigga scared me. I'll get rid of this motherfucking gun. Are you okay?
Oh my gosh. I don't.
At least you didn't sneeze on me.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, go sit your ass on.
Well, I was trying to make sure I didn't
I'm about to
sneeze
put you
on
in quarantine. I'm about to put you in quarantine. Get your ass out. Go in the closet, shut the door.
Go into quarantine.
Go in the closet, shut the door.
I have to stay in the closet now?
Damn, quit. All that damn sneezing, bro.
Jordan, you act like I can control that.
What the fuck? Got him. Bro, what the f? Stop sneezing on me! Damn! You keep sneezing all over my back! I told you to get away from me if you're gonna be doing all that. What, you need some medicine or something? Slow days?
I don't know,
Damn.
baby. I'm sorry.
I don't know why you keep saying sorry, bro, when you keep doing it. Like, how can you be sorry? You got a sorry ass nose. Damn, nose don't even work right. How the hell you got snot coming out your nose ring?
It's technically not coming out my nose. Ow! You hit me in my boob! Ow, you mother...
What are you playing on me, bro? I literally feel shit.
Are you okay? It was just water, okay? Does that make you feel any better? It's just water, okay? It's just water.
Bro, you a nasty motherfucker. Go on, bro. Quit sneezing on me.
I'm not sneezing. That's what I'm trying to tell you, baby. I was literally just tossing water on you. That was, yeah, that was what I was doing. I was tossing water on you.
Well, go on then.
I love you though. I'm not sick. I'm not giving you no germs. I'm not giving you the damn Rona, nothing like that.
You ain't giving me no booty either, is you? Okay then, get up. But if I ain't get no ass, I don't want nothing. Go on.
If you ain't getting no ass, I don't want nothing. You sure? Okay, alright, whatever.
What you was doing?
Team Brooke, y'all already know I was like, I was tossing water at you and I was also kind of spitting in that shit.
So you was spitting on me?
Ah!
Is that what was on the back of my shirt?
Yeah, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. There was like a huge, just like huge wet spot all over Jordan's back where I literally like for real, hold on, let me see. It's still kind of wet right here.
Wait, probably because you spit on me. The fuck is it supposed to dry? You got dry spit?
I have dry spit, yes, I got dry spit, that's what it is.
What? Any breath thing.
Okay, anyways, Team Brooke, y'all already know I would get mad if someone was sneezing all over me. Ow, you look.
Go on. Okay, stop. You already messed with me enough.
I know.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
With your fucked up nose. How your nose work that way? What's my control?
Because I asked it to. That's why. I don't know. You done threw it somewhere. Done threw it everywhere. Anyways, like I said, Team Brooke. How many was that? How many sneezes? Did y'all count how many sneezes that was? I didn't even count how many sneezes.
Too damn many.
I didn't even count. So if y'all counted, comment below how many times it took for Jordan to finally get upset. I was trying to get him in the face that other time, but I guess I didn't really get it too well. But like I said, Team Brooke, y'all already know.
Bro,
we gonna see y'all.
If you would have spit and sneezed in my face, I probably would have straight uppercutted you.
But I did though, did I not?
Huh?
But I did sneeze in your face, did I not?
I don't think you did.
Oh. Well, I thought I sneezed / kind of spit in your face, low key. But anyways, like I said, y'all haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button. It's too late. Y'all should definitely. What?
Cause God, when you made this one,
I'm going.
I don't even know.
Woo! Y'all, we about to have an all-out WWE war in here because I cannot.
I guess who's gonna get their ass beat?
You?
You
gonna get your ass beat. Oh. Hold on. I didn't know you were coming up like that. Did I just knee you in the face?
Oh!
Did I knee you in the face? Are you okay?
Straight in my cheek.
Baby.
I can't even. Damn. You just knee me in my fucking temple. Move.
I'm so sorry. Do you need help?
Fuck!
Do you need help?
Damn. Ow.
Look, okay. I told you who was gonna get their ass beat.
Damn, bulldog's ass kneecap.
Told you was gonna get your ass beat. No, nobody wanna listen to me. It's okay.
Damn, bro. Watch where you going.
Alright, I'm gonna go before anybody else gets hurt or anything like that. We'll see y'all next time. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Shit hurt.